Hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing a package today I received from Amazon, and it's actually a duvet cover for my new comforter. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it down into the description for you. Go ahead and check it out. It's called Shopping at Ross, and that everything I bought under $100, and basically it's a bedroom set, shoes, and so on. Yeah, go ahead and check it out. And this is the comforter cover that I got. So we're gonna go ahead. It's a 400 thread count cotton duvet cover. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this right now and see how it is. Hopefully it's nice and it fits. That's the correct one. I got the wrong scissor, I think, going on here. Okay. All right. And this is a full queen. The comforter I got is a full queen, so is this. And I got it in white, so hopefully this is right. Seems so. So, duvet cover and pillowcases. They're white. I like things white. I don't like it to be too busy or, too patterny. So sometimes I like it white and sometimes I like to mix things together. And I really like white bed sheets with either a light turquoise blue or green color. It just seems to be more feng shui for sleeping. Yeah, and more soothing and calming, it seems like. So these feel pretty good. I like them. So that's the actual duvet comforter cover. And then it came also with 2 pillowcases. Yeah. I love it, you guys. It's nice. It feels pretty good. So this is on Amazon, and I'm not sure what company it is. I have to look that up and see. It might be on the box, actually. I forget. But yeah. And this is also not sponsored or anything. I like it. It's pretty nice. I like the fact that it's soft and silky. It's pretty soft and silky, you guys. I don't know if you could tell, but it's pretty silky. All right, well, that's it. Go ahead and check out my other video, shopping at Ross for a dress for less. And I will also link that video down in the description for you guys. Okay, till the next video, see you guys.